Welcome to video 1 of the Smiles tutorial series. This video will teach you how to use Polymerize's draw tool. Our draw tool automatically generates a smile string given the graphical representation of a molecule or polymer. Starting on the predict/screen window of the Polymerize platform, select Draw next to the input box for smile strings. In this window, we can draw our desired structure using the top and left toolbars. The top bar helps us draw the chemical structure with tools to create bonds, rings, and common functional groups. The left bar helps us specify heteroatoms in our structure. Unspecified atoms are assumed to be carbon. Common heteroatoms are already included in the toolbar. For any other species, the bottom box labeled X lets us type in any atom label for use. This may be an atom like iron, a common heteroatom in metal organic polymers. Let's try an example. We'd like to create a smile string for polystyrene. To start, create the main chain repeat unit and close it on either side with something we call a dummy atom. You can do so by hovering over the end and clicking G, or by replacing the end with an asterisk. This tells the draw tool that everything in between the dummy atoms is part of the polymer's repeating unit. Next, add the phenyl functional group by adding a linear side group followed by a benzene ring, both of which are found in the top toolbar. Let's try another example. We'd like to create a smile string for lactide. Start with a cyclohexane base. Change 2 carbons in the ring to oxygens using the heteroatoms on the left sidebar. This can also be accomplished by hovering over the desired location and typing O. This shortcut can be used with any single-lettered elements that you would like to add to the molecule, including the marker for dummy atoms and polymers. Add 2 methyl groups off the side of the ring. Finally, add 2 double-bonded oxygens off the side of the central ring using the double bond tool on the top row, followed by adding an O on the end of each of the double bonds. For our final example, we'd like to create a smile string for PIM-1, a ladder polymer. A ladder polymer differs because it has 4 dummy atoms as opposed to a typical polymer with 2. To do so, start by creating the repeating unit using the tools presented so far. Once the basic structure is complete, go back and add in the correct heteroatoms. Since there are 4 dummy atoms in a ladder polymer, we need more than G's to indicate connectivity. For ladder polymers, dummy atoms are represented and connected in pairs by E and T, as well as D and G. Once you've created your chemical structure, you can either copy the smile string directly into the input box or click to import it.